Hello, and welcome to 7 Minutes English, where you learn easy English step by step. I'm Alex.
And I'm Nina. Hello. Alex, summer is coming. Do you have any plans?
Oh, yes! This summer, I'm going to travel and relax. I can't wait!
That sounds wonderful. And that's our topic today, summer plans. We will learn 6 easy phrases to talk about your plans for the summer.
Perfect! And we use these phrases to talk about the future. Let's start.
Simple English daily. Hey, come and learn a little every day.
But first, a fun question, Alex. In July, it is summer in Europe and America. But what season is it in Australia in July?
Ooh, tricky.
Is it A, summer, B, winter, or C, spring?
I'll say a summer?
Maybe. I'll tell you the answer at the end. Keep listening.
So, Nina, what is the most popular summer plan?
For many people, the big plan is to go on holiday. Go on holiday.
Go on holiday. To go on holiday means to travel somewhere for fun and rest. I'm going to go on holiday in August. Say it with me. I'm going to go on holiday.
I'm going to go on holiday. And some people want to go abroad. Go abroad.
Go abroad. To go abroad means to travel to another country. This summer, I'm going to go abroad to Italy.
Lovely! But you don't always need to go far. Many people just want to visit family. Visit.
Visit. To visit means to go and see a person or a place. I'm going to visit my grandparents.
That's nice. And on a hot day, where do people love to go?
The beach. Go to the beach. To go to the beach means to spend time by the sea. We're going to go to the beach and swim.
Perfect for summer. Some people also love nature. They go camping. Go camping.
Go camping. To go camping means to sleep outside in a tent. My family is going to go camping in the mountains. Say it with me. I'm going to go camping.
I'm going to go camping. And when you are very excited about your plans, you can say, I can't wait. Can't wait. Can't wait means you are very excited about something soon. I can't wait for my holiday.
I can't wait either. Summer is the best.
Now let's practice. I will say a sentence about my summer plans. Then you try and tell us about your plans. Ready?
Ready. Number 1.
I'm going to go on holiday.
Number 2.
I'm going to visit my family.
Number 3.
I'm going to go to the beach.
Number 4.
I can't wait.
Great job! Now you can talk about your summer plans in English.
Now, the answer to our question. In July, what season is it in Australia? I said summer.
Good guess. But the answer is B, winter. Australia is in the south of the world, so the seasons are opposite. When it's summer in Europe, it's winter in Australia.
Wow! So they have winter in July. That's so strange.
Yes, the world is a very interesting place. Let's say our 6 phrases again.
Go on holiday. To travel somewhere for fun.
Go abroad. To travel to another country.
Visit. To go and see a person or place.
Go to the beach. To spend time by the sea.
Go camping. To sleep outside in a tent.
And can't wait. To be very excited about something soon. Great work today! Now you can talk about your summer plans in English. What are your summer plans? Tell us in the comments in English. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Simple English daily. Hey! Learn a little every day. Watch and smile, come and stay.